Hi, welcome to Pictures, Noise and Words. I'm Hedgy. This is a band called Oathbreaker. This was a recommendation, and I believe this is two songs that kind of just merged together. One's called 1056 and the other one's called Second Son of R. I do not know Oathbreaker at all, but it was recommended as you have to listen to this. This is amaze balls. So let's see. It's a full 8 minutes 14 seconds long. So, but then it is two songs merged together. Whether I don't know. Let's see if we can see the join. But I do not know this. I can't click the right.
The time you plunged into the grey cobblestones of a back alley to our house, you forgot to use your hands to break the sudden fall. The sun rose when I saw steam ascending from your
It's all very performance art, isn't it? Okay. I feel like I'm at university and someone's saying, "Oh, come and see this band. They're really pushing the boundaries, man." I'm struggling with this. It's a bit of a difficult listen, isn't it? Okay. I haven't done enough drugs to appreciate that. I didn't like it. It felt very... It came over very pretentious. Like it was full of meaning. But there was no way you were going to figure out what that meaning was. And it was full of angst and despair and... but nothing to listen along to. Call me old-fashioned. I feel like my parents now saying, "Oh, you can't hear the words. You used to be able to hear the words." Yeah, it was just a mashing together of things, and I think one of the things that put me off is just the art student feel of it. if you're still here, if you've made it this far, well done. And maybe this is your thing, but it's not mine, and I hold my hands up right now. I didn't understand it, because none of it just wasn't entertaining for me. Even that, you know, you got the quiet bit at the beginning with just the lady singing. It didn't do anything for me, to be honest. And then you've got all the extreme metal bit later on, and that didn't do anything for me either, and putting the two together didn't make it any better. It didn't become more than the sum of its parts. I may be missing something, but if I am, I don't think I'm likely to find it, because it just wasn't for me. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.